on, and before the break, we were just taking a look at the kind of recovery that we've seen off the day's low for the Nifty and the levels that we're at right now. And that's the number. Okay, we've seen a little bit of a fall, a very nominal one. We were above 22,950. We're at 22,915 now. Nominal fall coming in of 30 or so points. But while this is on the equity, let's take it across to my colleague Sajid, who's waiting by with a roundup, an FNO 360 of everything that's happening in the universe of futures and options. Sajid, over to you.
Thank you, Sneh. And we were predicting about the kind of volatility which we are going to see in the market, kind of because of the Nifty options expiry, which we are seeing. The Nifty down 0.2% there, but look at the open interest position. Certainly, picking up at nearly 2% open interest positions up in today's trade. The premium at nearly 40 points as we speak. In Nifty Bank, you will see that the index is off day's low. It's nearly 0.9% lower there, but the premium is around 186 at the point and flat open interest position. There's some short building which is happening, some long unwindings also which are taking place there. And if you look at the snapshot, the private sector and the public sector banks all seeing some short build-up happening. In between, we saw some long building happening in Kotak Bank, but now it's there's a short build-up which is coming in there. So for the banking stock, look at the distribution table and what's happening, how the writers are acting today. 22,900 is where we have maximum interest coming in, and you can see there is tussle happening with respect to the call and put writers as we speak. 23,000 again is the resistance for the market there. But if you look at the distribution chart, you see that 22,900 is where the put option writers have a upper hand, and the index is hovering about the 22,900 mark there. In futures gainers, you have Emphasis, Vedanta, LTM. IT stocks are up in today's trade. Future losers include Jubilant Food, where the stock is down nearly 9.6%. PG Electro and Force Motor is another two sectors where we're seeing some pressure coming in. Force Motor is seeing short build-up, Fintech is seeing a short build-up, and Jubilant Food is seeing a short build-up with open interest up nearly 17%. Open interest losers includes Oil India, where there's a short covering happening. Reliance, there's a long unwind which is happening there. Polycab is one stock where we have seen short covering, and open interest is down nearly 1% in today's trade. But let's look at what the stock options are doing. Reliance 1300 April call. We're seeing the most active there with 45.85 lakh contracts on that counter. The premium is down nearly 11.25 to 33.25. The stock hovering around the 1300 mark. So that's a level where Reliance is trying to hold off as we speak. Among the put, you have Jubilant Food 400 April put, where we have seen an open interest of nearly 11.7 lakh contracts. The stock hovering about the 400 mark there, with good support coming in because of the puts which have been written there. The premium up nearly 10 rupees at 13.4. So steep increase in premium seen in Jubilant Food work. But the activity is happening in Nifty today because of the Nifty options expiry, and we're seeing Nifty going up and down, and we'll see that happening more as you come closer to the trading closing session.
Okay, Sajid, thanks so much for taking us through that. So that's everything.